Every year, almost 12 lakh students appearing for JEE mains, but out of those, only 12 to 15,000 students can get top government colleges. But there are many students who scores a decent score in JEE mains, but although they are unable to get admissions in IITs, NITs, triple ITs, and CFTIs. So in today's video, we are going to tell you about some colleges, their admission criteria, and why you should join this college. These are some colleges in which you can easily take admissions from your JEE scores and also make a dream career. So be with us till the end to get all the information regarding the colleges. Before further proceeding in this video, if you don't subscribe to our YouTube channel till now, then please do it now to get updated with latest news and career tips. So number 1 is SGS ITS. Sri Govindaram Seksaria Institute of Technology and Science, or SGS ITS, is a public engineering institution located in Indore, India. It was established in 1952 as a technical institute. SGS ITS is an academically and administratively autonomous institute. However, it is a part of the Rajiv Gandhi Pradhyogiki Vishwavidyalaya and its degrees are issued by the university. It is an autonomous institution in 1989. Under this status, the institute conducts its own examinations at both UG and PG levels. SGS ITS became operational under the administration of a board of governors. For admissions, the institute offers admission on the basis of student performance in JEE mains, and admission in this institute don't have any matter with class 12 percentage criteria. Then why should you choose this college? It's amongst the best engineering institutions in MP and have well qualified faculties than any other institutions in Madhya Pradesh. Number 2 is Harcourt Butler Technical University. Harcourt Butler Technical University (HBTU) is a state technical university in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. The HBTU was named after Sir Spencer Harcourt Butler, Governor of the United Provinces in British India. Its program have been conferred in autonomous status under the university. It is one of the oldest engineering institutes in the country and holds the ISO 9001/2000 certification. It offers bachelor's, master's and doctoral program in engineering as well as master program in computer applications. For admissions, candidates who want to seek admissions to BTech program need to appear in UPSEE conducted by AKTU followed by counseling. JEE mains rank holders are offered direct admissions to the programs. Why should you select this college? It was one of the 127 technical institutions in India which were the recipient of the funding from World Bank's or International Development Association's IDA in the phase 1, that is 2004 to 2009 of the Technical Engineering Educational Quality Improvement Project, the first World Bank project in higher education in India. Number 3 is Jamia Millia Islamia. Jamia Millia Islamia is a central university located in Jamia Nagar, New Delhi, India. It was given the deemed status by the University Grant Commission in 1962. On 26 December 1988, it became a central university. For admission in this college, one need to take the JEE mains exams and separately apply for JMI Delhi counseling. Admissions are on the basis of ranks in JEE mains. Why should you select this college? JMI's faculties of engineering and technology has been ranked 20th by NIRF in 2017 and 6th among central universities in India. The parameter considered for ranking are resources, facilities, teaching, learning, etc. Number 4 is Dayalbagh College, Agra. Dayalbagh Educational Institutions (DEI) is an educational institution located at Dayalbagh in Agra. The institute have been given deemed university status by the University Grant Commission of India in 1981. For admissions, JEE main qualified candidates are eligible to apply for BTech courses. Why you should select this college? The National Institution Ranking Framework (NIRF) ranked Dayalbagh Educational Institutions in 101 to 150 band overall in India, 82 among universities and 102 in engineering ranking in 2020. Number 5 is Anna University. Anna University is a public state university located in Tamil Nadu, India. The main campus is in Guindy, Chennai, and the satellite campus is in Cromapat, Chennai. It was established on 4th of September 1978. For admissions in BE, BTech, BR courses, the admissions are done through Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions (TNEA) exams. Why you should select this college? Internationally, Anna University was ranked 751 to 800 in the QS World University Ranking of 2020. The same ranking ranked it 169 in Asia in 2020 and 87 among BRICS nation in 2019. Number 6 is Netaji Subhash University of Technology. Netaji Subhash University of Technology NSUT, formerly known as Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology NSIT, is an engineering college located in Dwarka, New Delhi, India. Following the conversion of the Delhi College of Engineering into Delhi Technological University, Cluster Innovation Center and NSIT were the only engineering institutions under the University of Delhi. In 2018, the college were given university status, thus changing its name to Netaji Subhash University of Technology. For admissions, taking admissions in BE or BTech courses, candidate selection is based on the marks scored in JEE mains. The candidate also has to go through a joint admission counseling to get allotted to different institutions. Why you should select this college? Netaji Subhash University of Technology was ranked 11 in Outlook India's top 150 engineering institutions in 2019 and 22 in the Veek Hansa Research Best College Survey 2019. Top Engineering College All India. Number 7 is Punjab Engineering College. Punjab Engineering College, deemed to be university, abbreviated at PEC or PEC Chandigarh, is a public technical and research institution founded in 1921, which focuses on the field of applied sciences, particularly engineering and technology, located in the Union Territory of Chandigarh, India. For admission, PEC Chandigarh is known for its 4-year and 2-year programs, for which the entry is through the JEE mains and GATE exams. It offers degrees such as Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Science, Master of Technology and few others. Then why you should select this college? It is one of the top colleges across India and offer various courses in different fields. PEC's rating is increasing and is better than many NITs. So this is the part 1 of the top colleges except IITs, NITs, IIITs and CFTIs. Stay connected with us to get information about more colleges in part 2.